National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Union County, southern Columbia County in southwestern Arkansas, Claiborne Parish in northwestern Louisiana, north central Webster Parish in northwestern Louisiana, until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line from over Wesson to 6 miles southeast of Taylor, or along a line from 8 miles northwest of Junction City to 7 miles northeast of Spring Hill, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Homer, Haynesville, Cotton Valley, Emerson, Shongaloo, Atlanta, Wesson, Evergreen, Lisbon, Hugh Hope, Noxobe, Letton, Antioch, Horsehead, Spring Lake, Lake Claiborne, Three Creeks, Walkerville, Summerfield and Cairo. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties, in Arkansas, Columbia and Union, and the following parishes, in Louisiana, Claiborne and Webster.